What's up, guys? Welcome to another day. So today's adventure, we are going to be putting on my front lip. I got a Mugen Style front lip, and then I got some decals for my car that I will be putting on as well. Also need to do an oil change, and then we're just gonna hang out with my best friend for a while, then probably go cruising tonight. Traffic is kind of ass right now on Riverdale Road though. Just gonna go to Starbucks now and give me some coffee because I'm almost tired. I'm gonna need it for today for sure. So let's go. Sheesh. She do be looking good. And then there's my mans. Got my coffee, and I'm waiting on Devin. He got something too. And then we're just gonna go to O'Reilly's really quick. I need to get some oil, and then we'll head to Shannon's so I can get everything on my car. Don't just make them don't get you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, need so much room, but heart full of equity. Yeah. Love that. Race carnation with the best friend and the boyfriend. Oh, I just got snow in my shoe. Okay, we're in Shannon's shop. I got my lip. And then we're gonna be putting the stickers on. So let's get to it. Please make sure you have the proper safety equipment to avoid potential harm to you and your vehicle. Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, she'll fit. We just gotta pick her up.
Okay, ready? Everybody take a side.
Just lift the whole car up.
So we got the front bumper off. We tried to like test fit the lip, and I think we're gonna have to use a heat gun to kind of maybe get it to fit. We'll try it in a minute, but I need to borrow a drill from Shannon. So we're gonna just put on these decals I got from my friend Shannon. Go ahead and hit her up at Aesthetic Trash. I'll put a link to her page where you can contact her and order stickers from. She makes really good stuff. She did the hearts on side of my other Shannon's car on the black RSX. So I'm gonna prop my phone up and then we're gonna get working on the flowers on the side of the car. Okay, so I'm working on the lip now. So far, I've got this end screwed on. And then I've got this Gorilla double-sided tape. So I'm just putting it where the lip will lay down onto the bumper. So I'm working on the tape right now. Got my next strip, gonna lay it down. And then I won't take the backing off until I get it laid down, and then I will bolt on the other side. Not bolt on, screw on the other side. Okay, so I got it on. Got the fog lights back on both sides. So now we're gonna throw it back on the car and see how it looks.
I'm the plug, okay? Okay.
Later that same evening.
Hi guys, sorry I may look a tad bit nasty. It is the next day. By the time that we finished up with the car last night, we really had to leave to head back to Ogden. I had to pick up the title for the car, and we went cruising, but I'll show you what the car looks like. It is a little dirty because I had to drive through the snow, but I'll show you what it looks like. So I got the Mugen lip on. Oh, it's a little icy. My only problem is the fact that my fog light housings poke out a little bit because of the lip material that goes right underneath where the housings are. But I mean, it looks really good, and I'm not gonna paint it because I will be wrapping my car soon, so I don't see a point. And then here are the flowers. It looks really pretty and I love it. It looks great on both sides. So yeah, it turned out really good, even though it took us 5 hours. But I'm back home now, and I unfortunately have to work today, so I need to go get on my computer and start working. Got my coffee. But that's it for this video. I'll be doing another video here shortly. I have to replace my front lower control arms, my front ball joints, my front tie rod ends, and my coilovers, so I'll probably be recording that as well. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment if you want, turn that notification on so that you can know every time I upload, and I'll see you guys later.